Hello and welcome back to the Ramcast, your source for what's new at MVTHS. I'm your host, Korie. Introduce yourselves.
I'm Miles.
Good. Next.
I'm Callie.
Good. Next. You might notice we have some new art on the walls. These were painted by Bethany Hall, class of 24, guys. So, guys, the theme of today's episode is congratulations. We've had some great successes recently, so let's start with FFA, free-for-all match.
Congratulations to the Mount Vernon FFA Livestock Evaluation Team, which placed first in state at the University of Illinois on Friday. Team members were Ava Trolley, first place individual, Maylee Allen, third place, Ava Tate, fifth place, Ellis Smolinax, and Lexi Trout.
Congratulations for these amazing achievements.
Congratulations to the Mount Vernon FFA State Horticulture Team, which placed sixth in the state at the University of Illinois. Holy cow, guys. Team members include Azalea Badger, Izakus Neski, Caitlin Curie, Addison Stamper, Stampy's Lovely World Minecraft, and Ava Lowry. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your names. I'm on 5 cans of black coffee today. Black Rifle coffee does not get you through the whole day, let me tell you.
Congratulations on this great accomplishment.
Read.
Yes.
I already read. Go.
Congratulations to Lane Jackman and Madison Mears. Both competed in Ren Lake College's welding competition on Friday. Lane placed fifth, while Mason placed sixth.
Congratulations to both.
We have an important alert. We are getting word that our time-traveling reporter, he's somewhere in the Baltic Sea in 1945. That's where Miles was born. Let's go see what he's gotten himself into this time.
Hi, I'm James Tolley, your time-traveling news reporter. Last week, I talked about the Titanic, and if you noticed, I called it the second biggest maritime disaster. Ladies and gentlemen, the Wilhelm Gustloff. On the 30th of January, 1945, the Wilhelm Gustloff would last set sail from Gotenhofen during Operation Hannibal, a mission to evacuate Axis supporters back to Germany from the Baltic states via the Baltic Sea. Originally only taking people with tickets, they eventually just shoved people into any available space. Due to this, there's no manifest of how many were on board, but an estimated 10,000 were on board. Due to Allied naval mines along the coast, the ship was forced to travel in open waters. At 9 p.m., the Wilhelm Gustloff was struck by 3 torpedoes fired by a submarine designated S-13 under the command of Alexander Marinesco, who was drunk and thought he would be hailed a hero for sinking a German boat. Of the nearly 10,000 people on board, only around 1,000 survived. Now I'm getting out of here before I get torpedoed as well.
Thanks, James. James, let me check my pit boy. He's fine. I hope he's okay. Congratulations to the MVTHS art students who cleaned up at the Carmi Art Show. Honorable mentions went to Brian Lee Thompson and Jaden Nichols. I got rid of the air horn, guys. Who wants to read? Callie, read.
Okay. These students won third place ribbons. Bethany Hall, Tanner
Laughter's
Walker,
band, read.
Miranda Rostalon, Lily Harris, Skylar Butcher, Lila Barrett, Madison Price, Keith Hart, and Callan Jackson.
Second place winners were Aiden Beam, Madeline Walker, Savannah Collins, Brian Lee Thompson, Alec Lemons. Savannah White.
Whoa!
Don't know where she went. She's not here today. She said the AV club was bad, so we had to replace her. And Bella Van Loo Vender. First, Miles. Who wants to go?
First place names were Shaylin Ulrich, Callie Korie, Savannah Collins, Hazel Vander Linden, and Savannah White. Savannah White and Hazel Vander Linden
Clap.
also received 2 second-place ribbons each. Now you clap.
Congratulations to our own Callie Vaughn for winning she won a national art competition, people. I doubt she did. She cheated like Tom Brady in a Super Bowl. Here to tell us about that is Callie Vaughn.
Well,
Read.
thank you for saying I cheated, first of all.
You're welcome
Okay.
because I'm right and you're wrong.
And I won a Junior American Citizens competition for the Daughters of the American Revolution group. Yeah. It was pretty cool, honestly. It was about NASA.
Fun.
Yeah.
I've been on that spaceship
That
once.
sounds interesting.
Yeah.
Yes.
Anyway, last but not least, the MVTHS AV Club won an Emmy. Wabash Valley College held their first ever radio and TV Emmy Awards. We won an Emmy for the Best Video News Interview for the Black History Month Ramcast episode. We also earned 2 other nominations in the Best categories, Best Short Film and Best Sportscast. Look at it. Isn't it so cool?
Yay, go
Say it's
AV
cool.
Club!
It's shiny.
Wow,
It's fake.
It's not fake.
You've 3D printed it, Callie.
I did not.
I see
Like
the
the
lines.
government.
I would never.
It's fake, just like our election. And by election, I mean election for class president, people. We're not a political channel. Come on. Anyway.
But it was fake.
That's our show, guys. Retired hat guy. Well, guys, this is unfortunately the end of today's not so controversial episode of the Ramcast. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below.